Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you something. It's a nice hot day here in Atlanta. I think it's probably about 80 something degrees. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. Friday is my birthday and I'm just loving it. Just got my nails done. They're white, purification, toes done too. White. Let's just say I did French manicure, French pedicure on the toes. I did paint the nails white because I'm going to put my own little touch to it. But y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe for me and turn the post notification on so you won't miss another upload. Today I'm going into Home Depot. I'm in the parking lot right now. I just pulled up. I'm going inside of Home Depot. My daughter gave me one nice big plant for Mother's Day. I'm going to see if I could find a pot for replant it in. I love it. And I'm gonna get some potting soil. What else? What else I'm gonna get in there? I'm gonna get some things for the bugs for spray around the yard. I'm gonna figure that out too. And if I see any plants or whatever, I'm gonna grab that. Me and my husband did go at one potting place. We sell a lot of plants and stuff. And we did buy a whole lot of different plants and stuff. And we did do some planting around the yard and everything there. Which was fun to do that with husband. Something different, something nice. But if I see anything else, I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. And also, I'm going to be doing a lot of... Make a post a video on both of my channels. So, what's up? How to Cook channel. Yeah. Life as Juliana. Yeah. But I'm going to be cooking outdoors. I'm going to do some outdoor cookings in my backyard because for those of you who don't know, I'm living in practical the woods, okay? So I've figured for the next couple of videos, maybe for the entire summer really, I'm going to do a lot of cooking outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I put on my mask because, honey, you know that COVID is still out there. It's still real, y'all. So I'm gonna get some bricks, yeah. A couple of bricks for make a outside fire. For where they come from Jamaica like myself, I don't know all about them things though for making a fire outdoors. So I'm gonna get like about maybe 6 or maybe 3, depending on how big the bricks are. Yeah. So I'm gonna make an outdoor fire for cook pan. So look out for the cooking videos them, y'all. But anyway, hopefully I'm going to find maybe some tomato tree or whatever I could find. If not, maybe just see what's going on in there. But basically that's what I'm doing here at Home Depot, replanting my thing and see if I could find any little cheap flowers or whatever by the on sale. Something where I know during the winter they might die, but hopefully they could come back up during the summer again. Okay, so let's go inside of Home Depot. Happy Wednesday, y'all. Hope y'all is doing blessed and hope you all is doing great. I just had 2 strawberry cream pie. That was breakfast and lunch. I didn't have anything to eat before, so that's all I had. So let's go inside of Home Depot and see what I'm having there. Okay, y'all, so your girl made it. Got what I needed to do my projects. No, you have to use hand sanitizer. Once you come back in the damn car, you gotta put the hand sanitizer, because y'all, trust me, COVID is still out there. Whether y'all want to believe it or not, COVID is still on the loose, y'all. I have 2 people that I know right now that's in the hospital, really, really bad with COVID, y'all. For real, for real. Even though I did get my shots, I still wear my mask. I don't go anywhere without my mask, y'all. Nowhere. But anyway, whoopsie dipsy. Your girl, I got the bricks or the rocks or whatever you want to call it. I did get those to make my fire spot for me cooking. Got that. Very happy about that. And believe it or not, I only paid, how much was it? $138 for one, so I got 3. That's all I needed was 3. And then I got my pot and soil. I got the mixed one with the soil and the treatment. So I got that, and that was only like $4 and something. They had that on sale, Home Depot, y'all. And what else did I get? I never bother pick up no more plants. Because, yeah, you can't hold off on the plants for a little bit longer. But I did get the flower pot. I'll show you guys when I do plant that. God gave me a very beautiful plant for Mother's Day. So I'm going to repot that and put it in my office. I want it to be in my office because I want to see the plant every single day when I go to my office. I spend most of my time in my office, so I'm happy for that. Big daughter gave me some roses. Unfortunately, those roses are going to die. But I did put them in a vase in my family room because they're so beautiful. I hope they didn't die, but they will. And then that was big daughter. And baby girl gave me, what did baby girl give? Baby girl gave me a nice postcard gift and some balloons for Mother's Day. You know, birthday's fast approaching. So yeah. Anyway, on my way home now. I'm not cooking today. That's for damn sure. I have leftovers from yesterday, so I might have to eat leftovers today. But we'll see once I get home. Sometime mood change. But may I play music in the background to have copyright strike? Oh my goodness, I never even realized that. We never loud, so hopefully YouTube will pick up that. But yeah, y'all, on my way home.